These how to 1 minute will show you how to prevent invalid bot traffic in website using Cloudflare for free. To stop spam traffic or bot traffic, just follow these easy steps. First of all, create a Cloudflare account and add here your domain or website. I've already uploaded a video about how to add or connect your website with Cloudflare. You can watch the video to add your website here. Once your website added, click on your website. Now click on this security drop down and select bots, and here you will get the bot fight mode option. So all you have to need to prevent invalid bot traffic in your website, enable this bot fight mode option. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.